Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a video as GIF in the CapCut mobile. So first, you can just finish your editing in CapCut, and before exporting to save it as GIF, you need to click on this resolution menu at the top, this box right here. So from video, change it into the GIF option. So click on GIF, and here there will be three quality options that you can select, from standard to the ultra high quality. But if you are on the free CapCut, you can only use this. You can only choose a standard quality. But if you are on the CapCut Pro version, you can choose between these three, from 240 into 640p. Okay, after you select the quality, just click on the arrow up. Then your project will be saved as GIF. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.